Hi everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing two types of Nerf blasters. One is the Nerf Elite 2.0 Echo, and the other is the Nerf Elite 2.0 Eagle Point. Let's start off with the Eagle Point. The Eagle Point comes with a stock and a barrel, however only the barrel is removable. It also comes with a scope. The scope is non-functional, only for decoration. It is also removable. This is a bolt action Nerf blaster. So you bolt it to do that. It has an 8-round cylindrical magazine. It also has a compartment for 8 extra darts. 4 over here, and 4 on the other side. This Nerf blaster does have rapid fire. Rapid fire is instead of bolting it and then pressing the trigger, you hold down the trigger and bolt it. Overall, I like the Nerf Elite 2.0 Eagle Point a lot, and I think it is a great blaster. Let's move on to the Nerf Elite 2.0 Echo. The Nerf Elite 2.0 has a stock and a barrel. It has a 10-round magazine with a removable cap to the magazine. You cock it and then shoot it. This blaster does have bolt action, so again you can hold down the trigger and cock and shoot. Overall, I think this blaster is a very nice blaster, and I would definitely recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.